This little video is a good example of how they used to design houses and how they used to get it wrong. So here's a Victorian house. This is bedroom number 2, and the door is on the wrong way around. And the reason the door's on the wrong way around is because it's opening into the space of the room. So the hinges are up here and the handle's on the other side, and the room's to the right of us. And what that means is when you walk into the room, it means you're walking into a tunnel. I'll do another video with one the other way, but if you walk into a tunnel, the room, although it's actually quite big, looks small because you don't see it until you get right into the room. So it's a good idea, I'll go back on that door. It's a good idea to swap the doors around and put the hinges on the other side, on this side, so the door opens against the wall. And then what we're doing then is we're opening into space. I'll close this door. When you open the door into a room, you can see bags of space at the bottom of the bed straight away and bags of space at the side of the bed. And it does make the room look bigger, a load bigger. So my name's Mark, see you soon.